guys. So before I introduce you to this new beautiful line, Kaziuki, I want to give you a little backstory. I'm in New York a couple seasons ago buying for the store. No coffee in the room, run downstairs. It is so beautiful. Stop into Dunkin' Donuts and I'm standing outside in this beautiful New York morning, just gingerly, quietly having my coffee. I feel a woman staring at me, but I don't look over because we are in New York. Finished my coffee, ready to go in. She says, "Excuse me." I turn around. She said, "Oh my God, I love your shoes." Well, I'm sharing the story with you because we all know how much I love my shoes, and you do as well for comments. So as it turned out, it was Ina Zilber of Kaziuki, a textile artist, a painter, a teacher of art from Lithuania, grew up in Israel, and now is living in Boston, taking her amazing art onto clothing. So we now call each other Soul Sisters, S-O-L-E, and of course we brought her gorgeous designs to Boutique W. Here I am wearing the little Sultan pant, as she calls it, not so little actually, with our new Memphis top from Kazan. I do want to say one thing. I am 5'2". The pants are great length on me, so I'm really going to recommend these for my friends who are 5'5" and under. They come in size 1 and 2, 0, 1, 2. I'm wearing a 2, and I'm about a 10 on the bottom. If you're not into the sheer or the weather gets a little colder, pop it back to a little BW 1 size sweater. It also comes in this gorgeous print. I'm showing you close up all of the color in the print because I want to show you how many beautiful colors go with it. A sweater, little Sunday sweatshirt, and if you didn't think I had another look for our high-low tunic up my sleeve, you were wrong, because here we go again. How fantastic does this look under here? Not only is her beautiful art transposed onto her fabrics, because her background is textile as well, this is called the Bubble Puffy jumper. It is 1 size, and I don't know how to show you these close up. It's like a pillow. So cute. We have it here with the Kazan Dasma top. Kind of love the way it picks up the colors in the print. Any color under it, solid t-shirt, tank top. While we're talking about the bubble tunic, I'm going to show you this coat that we have already sold to talk about art. It is fleece, as is the tunic. Just so beautiful. All right, we'll come back to you. And then these magnificent 1 size sheer toppers over anything. You'll be seeing many incarnations of what we put these over, but we started with the palette jumper in the mocha color. You can see how sheer, you can see the gorgeous print. So please jump online. Kaziuki, so beautiful. Until next time.